Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the battery percentage on your laptop on Windows 11. So you can see in the right corner in the battery, there is no battery percentage right now, but there's a settings. You can turn this on. Just go to the search bar and search for settings, open the settings, and after that go to system from the left menu. Then here you need to click on power and battery, and after that you will find the option called battery percentage. So here you just need to turn on this option, and now as you can see, it's showing the percentage of the battery. Also, if I click on the battery option, it is also showing me the battery percentage in this tray menu here. So this option should be available for everyone in the 25H2 version. If you don't have this option, you need to update your PC. So if I go back to the system option and go to the about section, you need to update your PC to this 26200 version of the 25H2. If you don't have the battery percentage option, you just need to go to the Windows update and check for updates. You might already have the 25H2 available version for Windows 11. So make sure you need to update your Windows, and then you will have this battery percentage option for your Windows 11. So that's it guys. This is the video that I want to share with you. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.